Now assemble this puff flower. We started by gluing the pots. This place. If you glue it, spread it all over. Stick the surroundings of the flower pot together as well. After gluing, we are taking a bit of filler cotton to press the basin down a bit. You have to press it on a hard board so that its base can be flat. Put it away to dry. I made this planter earlier. Now let's assemble the flowers. When winding the cotton thread, we first put a little glue behind it. Then put the cotton thread. Wrap it around the iron wire. After wrapping the threads around the wire, we pinched the end of the cotton thread on the wire. Then take the other end of the cotton thread and wrap it down around the iron wire. It's almost 3 centimeters. There is no standardized length, you can estimate yourself. Then put some glue here. This cotton thread is wrapped around the glue here. Then we assemble the leaves. Attach the leaves to the side of this wire. We'll fold the leaf outwards a little. It's the same with the leaves over here. 2 leaves. Put it on this wire and pinch it tight. Pinch the root of the leaf, pinch it tightly, and then we'll just wrap it around. Just wrap it tight. We'll wrap it about 1 centimeter or so, and we'll put some glue on it. Finally, cut off this cotton thread, leaving a section out. Stick it to the iron wire. Post-completion, we'll get some bigger scissors and cut the excess cotton thread. Next, we are going to put the flower on top of the soil. Here in the soil, we poke a hole in it. The flowers are then assembled with the soil. It's a little tight. Loosen it up a bit. Once assembled, we're tucking in as tightly as we can. Put it on the root of this leaf. Put some glue on the bottom to hold it in place. Next, we'll sew it to the top of this planter. Connect this soil to the pot. Here in the soil, there is a joint which needs to be sewn together with the joint of the pot. Pass the thread through the needle. Sew it on after you've aligned it. When we take it over, we align it up between the needles. Each coil. Align a coil. There's another point where we don't stitch it up. We take some cotton and stuff it in. Fill it up. Hide the threads after sewing thoroughly. Tidying up the leaves a bit. Adjust the flowers. It looks better this way. Our little planter is ready.